Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with MetLife for term life insurance enrollment easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the MetLife website. Once you are on the home page, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type term life insurance into the search bar and press enter. Review the search results and click on the link for term life insurance. You will be directed to the term life insurance page. Take a moment to read through the information provided. When you're ready, look for the Get a Quote button and click it. You will be asked to enter some basic personal information. Fill out the required fields, which typically include your name, age, and contact information. After entering your information, click the Next button to proceed. The website may ask additional questions regarding your health and lifestyle. Answer these questions honestly to ensure an accurate quote. Once you have completed the questionnaire, you will receive a quote for your term life insurance. Review the details of the quote carefully. If you are satisfied, look for the Apply Now button and click it. You will be directed to the application form for term life insurance. Fill out the application form with the necessary details. Double-check your information for accuracy before submitting. After completing the form, submit your application. You may need to create an account or log in if you already have one. Keep an eye on your email for any follow-up communications from MetLife. This may include further instructions or requests for additional information. Once your application is processed, you will receive confirmation of your enrollment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.